Foundation installation is well underway on the new student residence halls at Tufts University, a project being delivered by third-party capstone development partners. Spanning 271,000 square feet across two 10-story buildings, the footprint of this transformative addition to campus is beginning to take shape following extensive site work. Reaching this point has required precision and coordination, and the team's efforts have set a strong pace for what's ahead. A special thank you to our trade partners for not only helping us reach this milestone, but also upholding a high standard of quality that keeps momentum strong through these critical early stages.